Make money online. Top strategies for beginners. Welcome to my channel. Making money online offers various opportunities, especially for beginners looking to generate income from the comfort of their homes. Here are some top strategies for beginners. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. So, let's start. Number 10. E-commerce store. Starting an e-commerce store is one of the best online business ideas with immense potential for success. It involves creating a digital storefront to sell products to a global audience. E-commerce offers flexibility, scalability, and the ability to reach customers 24/7. You can choose to sell physical products, digital goods, or a combination of both. Effective e-commerce strategies include optimizing product listings, offering secure payment gateways, providing excellent customer support, and leveraging digital marketing techniques to attract and engage customers. Digital products. Creating and selling digital products is an excellent online business idea that leverages your expertise to generate revenue. Digital products include a wide range of offerings such as ebooks, online courses, templates, printables, digital artwork, software, and more. Number 9. Dropshipping. Dropshipping is a popular and potentially lucrative online business idea that eliminates the need for holding inventory. As a dropshipper, you partner with suppliers who handle the storage, packaging, and shipping of products directly to customers. This model allows you to focus on marketing, customer service, and sales. With minimal upfront investment, you can offer a wide range of products without the risk of unsold inventory. Dropshipping is particularly appealing for entrepreneurs looking to start an online store quickly, and for those seeking a flexible business venture. However, successful dropshipping requires careful selection of reliable suppliers, effective marketing strategies, and providing excellent customer experiences. Number 8. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a popular and potentially lucrative online business idea that involves promoting products or services from other companies and earning a commission for every sale or action generated through your referral links. It's an attractive option for those looking to earn passive income without the need to create their own products. Affiliate marketers can choose products that align with their niche, audience, and interests. They create content, such as blogs, reviews, social media posts, or videos to promote these products, using unique affiliate links to track conversions. Successful affiliate marketers focus on building trust with their audience by providing valuable and honest recommendations. Number 7. Blogging/vlogging. Blogging and vlogging are among the best online business ideas for those who are passionate about sharing their knowledge, experiences, and creativity. As a blogger or vlogger, you create content on topics you're passionate about, whether it's fashion, travel, cooking, technology, or personal development. Through engaging articles, videos, and visuals, you can attract a dedicated audience and monetize your content through various avenues. Start a blog or YouTube channel and monetize through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Number 6. Content creation services. Content creation services are among the best online business ideas due to the growing demand for high-quality content in today's digital landscape. Businesses of all sizes require engaging and relevant content to connect with their target audience. Offering services such as blog writing, social media management, video production, graphic design, and copywriting allows you to cater to various content needs. As businesses focus on building their online presence, they seek professional content creators who can deliver compelling materials that resonate with their audience. Podcasting. Podcasting has emerged as one of the best online business ideas due to its ability to engage and captivate audiences in the digital age. As a podcaster, you can create audio content on a wide range of topics, from education and entertainment to niche interests. With minimal equipment and resources, you can produce high-quality content from the comfort of your own space. Monetization options include sponsorships, ads, premium content for subscribers, and merchandise sales. Podcasting allows you to build a loyal community, connect with industry experts, and share your expertise or passion. Number 5. Freelancing. Freelancing is a compelling online business idea that offers individuals the opportunity to leverage their skills and expertise to earn income on a flexible schedule. As a freelancer, you can provide services in various fields such as writing, graphic design, programming, digital marketing, and more. This business model allows you to work with clients from around the world, offering a wide range of services on a project-by-project basis. With the growth of online platforms and marketplaces, Freelancers can easily connect with clients, showcase their portfolios, and secure gigs. Successful freelancers can build a solid reputation, establish long-term client relationships, and achieve financial independence while enjoying the benefits of remote work. Number 4. Social media management. Social media management is a lucrative and in-demand online business idea. Businesses recognize the importance of a strong social media presence, but managing multiple platforms can be overwhelming. As a social media manager, you can help businesses create, curate, and schedule content, engage with followers, and implement effective strategies to boost brand visibility and engagement. With the ever-growing significance of social media in today's digital landscape, social media management presents a rewarding opportunity to help businesses thrive online while generating income for yourself. Number 3. App or software development. App or software development is an excellent online business idea that leverages technology to address specific user needs. With the increasing reliance on digital solutions, creating apps or software for various purposes, such as productivity, entertainment, or education, presents a lucrative opportunity. You can develop mobile apps for smartphones or tablets, web applications accessible through browsers, or even desktop software. By identifying a gap in the market or a problem to solve, and developing user-friendly, functional solutions, you can attract a global audience. Number 2. Online fitness/wellness programs. Online fitness and wellness programs have emerged as one of the best online business ideas due to the growing demand for convenient and accessible health solutions. These programs allow individuals to access fitness routines, nutrition plans, and wellness guidance from the comfort of their homes. With the increasing popularity of virtual workouts and the desire for personalized health journeys, offering online fitness classes, yoga sessions, nutritional coaching, and meditation guides can cater to a wide audience. The flexibility of online platforms enables entrepreneurs to create subscription-based models, sell pre-recorded sessions, or provide live interactive classes. As people prioritize their well-being, an online fitness and wellness business can tap into a thriving market while promoting healthier lifestyles globally. Number 1. Online grocery delivery. Online grocery delivery has emerged as one of the best online business ideas, especially in today's convenience-driven landscape. This model offers customers the flexibility to shop for groceries from the comfort of their homes and have them delivered directly to their doorstep. The increasing demand for time-saving solutions and the growth of e-commerce have fueled the popularity of online grocery delivery services. By partnering with local grocery stores or establishing your own inventory, you can provide customers with a wide range of products and options. Offering a user-friendly website or app, timely deliveries, and excellent customer service are key to success in this competitive space. This is it for today's video. What do you think of our video? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Thanks for watching.